I started in the year 1984, 35 years back. I had an idea. After 15 years in my engineering career, I decided to have my own business, that I should go in for luxury item. There are three types of luxury: ornamental luxury, traveling luxury, and living luxury. Marble adds to living luxury. So I entered into the marble field. Ornamental luxury, once on an occasion, used for 3 to 5 hours. Traveling luxury, daily for 6 to 8 hours. But living luxury, 365 into 24 hours. So base is broad in living luxury, then traveling and ornamental luxury. Why I should not join myself with greater mass? It was the point to decide, take a decision. I started in Rajasthan. When I started my business, I was going to cities and outlets where my product can be distributed to actual user. When I came to Calcutta, I saw that a big volume of business is there, big population is there, and taste of Calcutta peoples are right taste. Because I don't have to say the caste, but Bengalis know the quality. They are wearing, eating, singing, they have not the sense of quality. So I thought that my quality material can be approved by these persons. Now, everybody knows what is quality, and real people come to me, even from Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and other countries. First I was running and I was catering them. Now they are coming to us. It is the biggest achievement. By mouth publicity, they came to know about Radharani, and they are repeatedly coming to me. I want to quote here a person who took material from us 25 years back, has repeatedly come to us. It is one of the biggest surprise and satisfaction that a person remembers us for so long period, and he has come repeatedly to our godown. When I started, because I am a mechanical engineer, I know the value of quality and value of systematic working. I started picking up the best material or first choice material. In the beginning, there was a lot of difficulty to push the material against cheap material, against low value material. But now, अच्छा माल लेना है, मार्बल ग्रेनाइट लेना है, इटालियन लेना है, राधा रानी मार्बल. It took me almost 15 years to establish that emblem. My motto is to give best price to the persons where from I am purchasing. It is first motto. If I will not give them materials real price, they will give it to anybody. And secondly, to give best satisfaction to the end user. This is my motto. To my persons who are dealing, who are selling, who are taking care of my godowns, establishments, I have told them, सोना को सोने में बेचो, पीतल को पीतल ही बोलो, इमिटेशन बोल के काम नहीं करना है. You can't say that दोनों एक ही है. This is what I have trained up to my persons. It is honesty with self. Self honesty किसको कहते हैं? आप अपने समय का सदुपयोग करें. गड्ढा खोद के, मिट्टी खोद के भी आप सोना कमा सकते हैं, और सोना बेच के भी मिट्टी में जा सकते हैं. I was traveling to mines daily, picking up material, sending it, then coming back to Bharatpur, again second day going with a new truck. I was traveling whole night in the train and meeting the customers in the day period. And it was for a span of over 10 years. So almost in 10 years span, I have worked for 30 years. This is the whole story of success.